Hey, what's up? Hey, me and the wife have been working really hard on this new project for the past few months. The company we're working with just sent us something pretty special. Check it out. All right, guys, check this out. Look at that there. $41,300 being a part of this program called $25 one-up. And of course, this amount was just $41,300. That was on December 13th, 2018. Now, of course, we've actually crossed this milestone by several thousands of dollars since then. And but hey guys, and we're not the only one that's been getting these type of rewards this week as well. We got a lot of people a part of the $10,000 club, the $20,000, $30,000, and of course we're part of the $40,000 club. And so hey guys, this is a great opportunity, great program. Man, take a look at that. I mean, I'm just really excited about, who knew that a few months after getting started with this, because we started I think it was around October 1st or 2nd when we first started promoting, and since then $41,300 and counting. You know, I'm just excited. So shout out to TJ and his wife, TJ Holloway, and hey guys, I'm just super excited. As you see, I'm getting tongue tied here, but hey, I love big checks. Big checks like this, and also big deposits in your bank account, and that's exactly what $25 one-up. Take a look at that. Here's the 3D effect. That's what this particular program can do for you. So I'm excited. Hey, click the link. You should see a link or something right here, right below, above, or whatever. Click on that link, guys, and hey, let's make 2019 count, guys. I'm telling you, I'm just really excited about what this is going to do for the new year. You can definitely be ahead of it. So hey, click on the link above, wherever it's at. Click on that. Go ahead and get signed up, guys, and look at it. You could probably be getting one of these checks here. If you do the work, we did a lot of work, we're still working, but if you do the work, you'll get rewarded. So hey guys, hey, thanks $25 one-up, thanks TJ. Hey, thanks to the Team Elevate. Hey guys, hey, I'm excited. You guys can do it too. You guys are crushing it. Congratulations to everybody else that's been getting checks, and these kind of rewards just really does mean a lot. So hey guys, hey, I'll let you get to it. Click on the link above, wherever it's at. Click on that, get signed up, get set up, and hey, let's take over 2019. Peace out.